Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you're having a good Thursday. Let's go over Cardano breaking news, and then we're going to go over where is Cardano going. Might be a little surprising to you, okay? So Elon Musk, Tesla should accept ADA. Very interesting. It says Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. Now, this is what he says down here. If they, maybe probably referring to Elon and the team over there, if they care about alternative energy, sustainability, carbon reduction, and carbon neutrality, you can't be in a system where there is no built-in mechanism to constrain the energy consumption. Charles Hoskinson has been in articles saying that he's trying to work with Elon and talk to him about why Cardano is better than DOGECOIN to be accepted for Tesla, and that has been coming out a lot. Now, if Tesla were to ever, or let's call it Elon Musk, were to ever accept Cardano, that would be obviously a huge move for Cardano. And what we might see is that people who had their money in Doge drop out of Doge and then take those billions of dollars there and put them into Cardano. If that happens, obviously, we could shoot up here very fast if that news were to come out. So I'm not trying to, jump too far ahead as if that's going to happen because we don't know. But, obviously a push up to $2.50 would not be unreasonable if that's something that would come out. Again, I'm not trying to push that out as it is true, but it is something to be looking out for. What I am more interested about today is what the overall market's doing for those of you guys who are in trades or looking to get into trades. The ADA trade here that I'm personally in, that you guys know I've been showing you over here that I'm holding positions in for ADA. I have my sell limits over here. I don't know, guys. It's not the most bullish looking trade at the moment. We see a lot of bearish sentiment on the trend dashboard here. This is telling me that a lot of retail traders are a little bit nervous, and it's looking like the price is going to be going down even further. If they're trading with the momentum, and if traders are trading with the trend, then this trend is your friend, and the trend is going down, okay? That is obvious. We're below every single major MA here. The price versus the whale money flow is heading down pretty drastically, and it is sitting in the middle point here, as well as the trend exhaustion. So the thing that is kind of making me a little nervous here is that the next catch point for a drop here is down at $1.35. So it's basically a drop down here of about 11%. So 11% drop is not unrealistic in here. And if we get down there, that's when we can kind of see a bounce, because that correlates to some nice structure supports down here at $1.36 as well as $1.33. Now, I want you guys to take a look at this though. Over on tradeconfident.io, obviously, come over here, subscribe, make sure you're subscribed to this. Cardano live trading, I will be doing all my updates here for this trade. Whenever we update anything, whenever I update anything, you guys will see it here. But this is a new section of the website that I'm eventually going to roll out to paid subscribers. But it's the market metrics for today. Let's take a look at this real quick, because this does affect Cardano as well as all the altcoins. The sell pressure is still very high in here. This is related with the long and short trades. This is it basically in the morning when you wake up, this should be, if I can say this should be the first thing you guys are checking, is the market metrics on Trade Confident. Now, I might change the names up here a little bit, but let's go over this real quick and how it relates to Cardano this morning and the market as a whole. So we still see that short trades are very high. This is actually one of the first times, since back here in March, that the short trades are actually higher than the long trades right now. This to me tells me that man, guys, I don't want to say it, but there's a lot of people betting against the market going up. Like a lot of big guys not wanting the market to go up here, and they want it to go down. The shorts are very, very high. It's the highest amount of shorts we've had the entire year. Okay, so this is still bearish in my opinion, but let me go over more of this. Trades in favor today, obviously this is for, so you guys watching this video, this is for June 17th. Trades in favor is neutral. Okay, so there isn't a bunch of pressure out there of, people looking for good short trades or great short trades, or even good long trades or great long trades. It's neutral, which makes me want to default back to this of where's the money sitting right now, okay? Remember this. I'm going to point something out that might shock you here. So remember that shorts are high. Now, this doesn't mean necessarily that shorts are more than the buys. It's just how the chart's laying out here. But what we need to watch is the accumulation of shorts, or the accumulation or lack thereof of the longs or the shorts. Okay, so let's just pay attention there. Longs are going sideways, if not down, while shorts are gaining. That's a bad sign for bullish news or bullish momentum, okay? The emotional market index right now is sitting around this neutral level, okay? So we're kind of waiting out there. They're getting very anxious here, as the price was dipping out. How far can we go down? Everyone that was holding here. But take a look at this. The whale in the institutional smart money is still shorting this. This has been proven many times over here that when we get down to these levels, the institutions and the smart money, they're looking to sell off and short this market so they can make a ton going down. When the market has been dropping out a lot, that is when they're buying your guys' fear. They're putting in their long trades and they're driving this back up. They're putting in their long trades and they're driving the market back up, okay? So we did see, I was getting hopeful here for a move back up that their short trades and their sells were decreasing, but just today we've seen an increase of short positions here and here with the smart money. The whales and the institutions are looking to sell and short this again. So if I had to make a call here from fundamentals and technicals on ADA and a market as a whole, I think this is a good reason to show us that we could be heading down to this structure low here, maybe by, I'd say Saturday or Sunday, which would give us about a 9.93% drop, right around a 10% drop to be safe here. And then even, down to this structure low is 11.08, which is even probably a more strong visual structure for a lot of people. So a 10% move down is not unrealistic. Now, for a move up, let's just not just make this all negative, although that is what the technicals are showing us, that if it is going to start moving back up here, we need to see the money flow here starting to move back up, as well as the market metrics here. We need to see this start pumping back to the green section. If this doesn't go back to the green, there's no listen to this. Like, if this doesn't go back to green, there's no incentive for whales and the institutions to buy. Like, there isn't. They are going to buy your guys' fear, and this is why you need to watch this. When the market is in fear and it is in anxious anxiety, the emotional state called like a greed and fear index here, that is where the whales are coming. They're buying up your fear and they're driving up the market. Well, we're not there yet. Like, we still need to have these orange lines, if I can just make it simple, these orange bars need to be moving into the long trade position. This is where they buy up your fear, and we're not there yet. So if I had to make a call on this, even with the shorts being so high here, this is not looking too good for a move up. I would still expect to see a move down. So that is why I'm calling in this video possibly a 10% drop on ADA. If we move back up, I think we aren't going to get too much higher than $1.84, which is exactly where I have my sell limit, because that's a very strong structure high. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and that it was just unbiased and straight to the point. God bless you guys. I'll come out with more videos today. Have a good one. Subscribe if you really enjoy these videos and want to come live trade with me on every single one of these videos that I come out on YouTube with. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye-bye.